Hello everybody, and welcome to the Jewelry Making Fun Collab. I'm Val, and I make content on jewelry. I make handmade pieces, and today is the 18th. On the 18th of every month, I'm part of a collaboration called the Jewelry Making Fun Collab. It is sponsored by Deb Huck of Dahlia Designs, and I'm going to tell you the different parts, like challenges and options that we have in this Jewelry Making Fun Collab for January. After watching me, please watch all of the other creators that have also taken part of this Jewelry Making Fun Collab, and let's see what everybody has come up with. Everyone's so good and creative, and I know everything is going to be looking great. So the first thing we do is have colors, and so we have to use at least two of the following colors: lilac gray, mint gray, blue gray, steel blue, or charcoal. So those are the colors we had to work with. And optional challenge number 1. We could use gemstones such as amazonite, lilac colored quartz, or labradorite, kyanite, like blue goldstone, hematite. So we're really keeping with those colors of gray and like a deep rich blue. The last challenge number 2 is to make a piece jewelry set with winter in mind, because baby, it's cold outside. So I did mostly, I did the 2 different colors, or actually I have a few different colors there, and then I did a set. So those are the things that I did, and I'll show you. I did a pair of earrings, and that's part of the set. So baby, it's cold outside, and I hope everybody's staying warm and wherever you live, because we have pretty cold weather coming mid-January here. This snowflake charm that I found, I have in the middle, and then I've got pretty gray and charcoal colors, colored seed beads, and then a steel blue color. And so these are the earrings. They're about, let's see, 1.25 inches. They're not huge at all, but you can see them. They're not really, really large, but and not those tiny earrings either. So, and then there's a necklace. It's a stainless steel necklace on a chain that I did with the same charm, and that made it a set. So I did the colors. I have the colors, that's part of the challenge that I chose. And then the other part was to make a set. So that's what I've got for you for our challenge. We have pretty color charts to use, and so I like that with this year. And we'll try to keep it interesting and mix it up. So thank you so much for watching, and comment below, what kind of projects are you doing? Do you do jewelry? Do you do like crochet, knitting, or what other hobbies do you have? Maybe you don't do either one of those things. But I appreciate you for watching, and I'll be making other videos, and I did lots of earrings this morning, so I probably will be do a live this morning or at some point today showing you my earrings. I had a burst of energy. So anyways, thank you for watching, and I will see everybody soon. Bye-bye. Stay warm.